are going to study our first chapter of mathematics, numbers. Before we started some question, we have to study place value chart. In mathematics, there are two types of system like Indian system and international system of numeration. Two types, Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. In Indian system, like there are many numbers which could be read and write. So, to read and write full number in one time, it is so complicated. So, we create it in parts. So, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 numbers here. So, how could we read it? 1. Ones, tens, third digit position is 100, fourth digit position is of 1000, fifth digit position 10,000, sixth digit position lakh, seventh digit 10 lakh, eighth digit crore, ninth 10 crore. There are 9 digit numbers. So, it is started from ones. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So, how could we separated it? We have to put the commas here. So, first of all, we have to put the commas. So, 1, 2, 3. These 3 are in one period. Next, 2 digits are in one period. Next, 2 digits are separated in one period. Next, 2 digits are also in one period. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now, how can we read it? 98 crore 76 lakh 54,321. So, we starts from this 98. So, it is 98. 98 crore 76 lakh 54,321. So, it is Indian system of numeration. Next, international system of numeration. There are also many digits here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We also start from last ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. From here, Indian system and international system are same. But from the 6th digit position, it is different. It is 100,000 and here it is lakh. So, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. In this also we have to put the commas and it is separated into 3 parts. 9, 8, 7 in one group, 6, 5, 4 in one group, 3, 2, 1 in one group. So, how can we read it? 987. It means 987 million 654,321. So, it is Indian system and it is international system of numeration. Now students, we are going to study about successor and predecessor. What do you mean by successor here? Successor means if we have to do the successor of any number, then we have to move one step forward. And if we want to do predecessor of any number, then we have to move one step backward. Means in successor we have to add 1 in that number and in predecessor we have to subtract 1 from that number. Take an example like this 9999999. How can we read it? 99 lakh 99,999 and the question is write the successor. Means we have to write the successor. What do you mean by successor? One step forward. Then plus 1. means any number we have to add 1 in that number. So 99,99,999 plus 1. Then what is the answer? 1 crore. What is the answer? 1 crore. Now next question, 59 lakh. 59 lakh. Then in this also we have to write the successor. So how can we write the successor? Successor means add 1 to that number. So 59 lakh plus 1. 59 lakh plus 1. Therefore, what is the answer? 59 lakh 1. It is our final answer. Now, in case of predecessor, if we have to write the predecessor of the same number, then what can we have do? We have to subtract 1 from that number. So, here also 99 lakh 99,999. So, 99 lakh 99,999 minus 1. Then what is the answer? 99 lakh 99,998. Like that. Next, 59 lakh. 59 lakh. And we have to write the predecessor. Therefore, we have to subtract 1 from that number. Therefore, 59 lakh minus 1. So, what is the answer? 58 lakh 99,999. Now students, we have to start a next question. Question number 3. Write in expanded form. Expand means we have to separate them like according to their position. Means here is 81502,183. Then in Indian system we have read this like 381 means ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So what is the position of each number? 8. What is the position of 8? The position of 8 is crore. The position of 1 is 10th lakh. The position of 5 is 1 lakh. The position of 0 is 10,000. The position of 2 is 1000. The position of 1 is 100. The position of 8 is tens. The position of 3 is ones. So we have to write according to their position. Means 8. 8 is in crore position. Therefore, we have to write like this 8 crore. Plus 1. The position of 1 is 10 lakh. Therefore, we have to write this according to 10 lakh. Plus next 5. The digit 5 position is lakh. Therefore, we have to write like this 5 lakh. The position of 0 is 10,000. So 10,000, but we have to not write 0 here. We have to write only the non-zero digits. So 2. The position of 2 is 1000. Therefore 2000. The position of 1 is 100. Therefore 100. The position of 8 is tens. Therefore 80. The position of 3 is ones. Therefore 3. Now next 28489430. Now how can we read this? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So this is also right according to their position. So 2. What is the position of 2 here? 10 crore. The position of 8 is crore. The position of 4 is 10 lakh. The position of 8 is lakh. The position of 9 is 10,000. The position of 4 is 1000. The position of 3 is 100. Now there are 2 0. No need to write the 0 digit. So 2. How can we write this? 2 20 crore. Next 8. 8 crore. Next 4. 40 lakh. Next 8. 8 lakh. Next 9. The position of 9 is 10,000. Therefore 90,000. The position of 4 is 1000. Therefore 4,000. The position of 3 is 300. And after there no need to write the 0. Okay. Now next fourth question, which is greater. There are two numbers here. We have to write the greatest number sign. Means we have to put the sign of greater. So here is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. It is 59 lakh, 87,158. And here is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. It is 5 lakh, 93,296. So which is greater, 59 lakh position or 5 lakh? Yes, 59 is greater. Therefore 59 lakh 87,158 is greater than 5 lakh 93,296. Next, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Then 1 crore 47 lakh 64,739. And here 2 9 6 8 5 3 6. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 63 lakh 58,692. So which is greater here, 63 lakh or 1 crore? Yes, crore is greater than lakh. Therefore 1 crore 47 lakh 64,739 is greater than 63 lakh 58,692. Okay students, now today we discuss about the place value chart and successor, predecessor, expanded form and the greater number. I hope all of you have understand it, and so all of you have to do these questions. Okay, stay safe.